This is story about Philly and Frank go to
This will be edit.
school.
Bắt đầu.
First, he passed
This
through
is Nico.
the sink, and he go to pick up his friend. Then Philip the car go straight to obstacle to go to school. Then he met a bridge and he passed through there. Then he jumped up to school and he arrived. Yeah.
This is our this graph. Firstly, the monkey the car travel from his house to pick up his friend, and then this is the pickup time when the distance doesn't change, and then they come across alongside to their school, which is this part, and finally they fly to the school, which is this part. Let I draw it again. So, in the first 5 seconds, the car come to his car park to his friend's house here, and then he pick up his friend, which is the distance still 1 meter, and next he went from 1 meter to 6 meter, which is the end of the bridge. It's here. We have this line. And last, the car flight from the bridge to the school in 5 seconds, which is this line. So we have distance time graph of the car. Velocity time graph looks like this. It shows the velocity of the car and his friend, and here is the time. And I will draw it again and explain it. Firstly, the car speed up from 0 to 2 here in 5 seconds to his friend's house. We have this line, and then he decreased its speed because he had to pick up his friend and decrease here. He have time to pick up his friend, which is zero velocity is this line, and then he speed up into 3 meter per second, speed up like this, and then his speed keep in 3 meter per second, keep it here until he pass the bridge, or he will be late for school, so he speed up by flying to his school. Here is we go, and he fly to school with a velocity of 4 meters per second, and then yay, they come to school, and then the velocity start decrease from 4 meters per second to 0, which is here. We will make a graph about the velocity and time of the bouncing ball. Here is the positive velocity of bouncing ball, and here is the negative one, and here is the time. We have this line when the ball bounce. It is when we start drop the ball, it hit the floor and then going up, and it keep going down, going up, going down, going up, and keep it until it cannot going up again. Why it cannot going up again? Because it lost its kinetic energy because of the heat and the sound energy lost when it hit the table like this, we can hear. And so that we have the graph as a result of the bouncing ball.